Okay, so in the database server, created database with the requirement so that are tables and other info specified in the tutor requirements. So for that, let's just see. So it actually saying to create the required tables and other stuff that actually necessary for run our tutor applications. So before that, let me just show you some of the thing that we can with the database. Like suppose you can create, update and other stuff. So for that, let's just go to my root user sudo su. Then go to the MySQL. Okay. So right now, if I use the show databases, like if you want to see all the databases, you use the show databases command. Here you can see all of the databases. Like this is the pre-install. Whenever you install on the database in server, this comes with the pre-install. Like suppose you want to create a database in here. So for that, what you're going to do, you're going to create the database. For that, create database. After that, we're going to give the database name. Like suppose you are going to give database like details, for example, and make sure you give the semicolon. After that, if you don't give the semicolon, let me show you. See, this will happen. So Control C, then you have to give the semicolon after the command whenever using this MySQL prompt. Hit enter. Now, if you use the show databases, see the details database has been created. Previously, it wasn't in there. Okay, so now if you want to use this database, for that what you have to do, for that you just have to use then details, hit enter, the database change. Now you're in the use details database. So now if you want to see the database table and other stuff, like suppose in the database there should be tables. So to see the table, you're going to show tables, hit enter, empty set because there is no table. So you can create your own table. Let me show you. Create table. Then after that, we're going to give the table name, like suppose like students, see table name. After that, you are going to specify the field or the row of the table. Like suppose there should be an ID field. After that, there should be a name field. Then after that, suppose subject. Okay, now we write it, but how we can assign the value, like which type of data it actually stored. So for that, in MySQL, we also can assign that. Like suppose ID maybe some ID will be like in the numeric way, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So for that, we can specify ID. Then we can specify like which type of data, like suppose integer, like id is an integer type of data, so that I can type integer int, and the name is like in the string type value. So for that we can give the like the varchar in the name, use the varchar means it's a string type value, and we can also limit that how many character you can assign in here. For suppose the name should not be long enough, more than 10 characters. And the subject also is string type, like the English, mathematics, other thing. For that, just give the name varchar. Then I can give it like also 10. After that, if I tap it enter, see the query, okay, no row affected. So now if I want to see the tables, like the show tables, hit enter. See, now there is a tables called students in here. So that's how you're going to create a table in the database.